Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Rahnama Academy Shahkot and YouTube channel at the rate of Rana 4563. My dear viewers and students, today lecture is about the movement, protection and sport. It's for colleges, those students who wish to appear for cadet colleges exam. This topic is very useful for them. Listen this topic very carefully. You can easily attempt question from this portion. Either it is subjective or objective. So Allah Almighty has blessed us with the bony framework. If this bony framework would not be existing in our body, let's see what would be the shape of our body. It would only be a heap of flesh. So all the movement are possible due to these bones and muscles. If bones or muscles would be absent, then there is no possibility of movement in our body and no sport and protection at all. So this all movement and all sport and all protection, it is due to this bony framework. So this bony framework, which is giving our body specific shape, support, movement, it is known as skeleton. Our body has 206 bones. There are certain bones who are large, some are small, some are movable, some are immovable, cannot move, like the bones of skull. Skull bones are rigidly attached with each other, cannot move at all. But the bones of hip, legs, ankle, these are all movable. Our movement is possible due to these joints. So skull is attached to the anterior of the vertebral column. Remember, vertebral column is giving support to skull at the upper end. Then this vertebral column is giving support to our ribs. Ribs are attached at the back with this vertebral column, and these ribs are attached with the chest bone at the front. Then our hip bone, legs, leg bones, etc. These are all bones are attached to vertebral column at the posterior end. Then the bones of arms, they are attached through shoulder with this vertebral column below the neck. My dear students, all these bones are covered with the skin and muscles. So muscles are basically capable to contract and relax. Due to contraction and relaxation of these muscles, this movement is possible. Among various organs of our body are movement as a whole in the body of human being. So remember, protection, movement, it is only possible due to this bony framework. So remember the total bones in the human body. Those are 206. And if question is given can name the immovable bones in the human body, or the bones which cannot move in the human body. So remember, these are the skull bones. And if question is given about the movable bones in the human body, or the bones who can move in the human body, so those are the hip bones and leg bones, ankle, etc. So these are all bones attached with each other with various joints, and then with the muscles also. Muscles contract and relax. As a contraction and relaxation, the whole movement in the body is possible. So bones are giving support, protection, and movement is possible in the human body is due to this bony framework. So, my dear students, uh, do remember all these things in the mind, and you can easily, inshallah, attempt the paper that will be set by the cadet colleges on science subject. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.